Find the principal value of sine inverse answer format is sine inverse 1 by root 2. As from the table we know it is sine inverse sine 45 degree pi by 4. So sine inverse and sine cancels. Answer we get pi by 4. Second question. Find the principal value of cot inverse. Cot inverse minus 1 by root 3. Answer for this. As we have cot inverse negative x as pi minus cot inverse x. This problem can be solved as pi minus cot inverse 1 over root 3. So that is pi minus cot inverse cot pi by 3. Cot 60 degree is 1 by root 3. So the cot inverse and cot cancels. Answer we get pi minus pi by 3, which is 2 pi by 3. Question number 3. Sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Answer for this. We have sine inverse minus x as minus sine inverse x. Therefore, sine inverse minus 1 by 2 is minus sine inverse 1 by 2, and sine inverse 1 by 2 is sine 60 degree, sine pi by 6. So sine inverse and sine cancels. Answer is minus pi by 6. Moving on to the next question. Cos inverse root 3 by 2. Answer is cos inverse root 3 by 2 is directly cos inverse cos 30 degree, that's pi by 6. So cos inverse and cos cancels. Pi by 6 is our final answer. Moving on to question number 5. Cosecant inverse 2. Answer. We have cosecant inverse x is equal to sine inverse 1 by x. Therefore, cosecant inverse 2 is sine inverse 1 by 2. From the table we can write sine inverse sine pi by 6. Sine inverse and sine cancels. Our final answer is pi by 6. Moving on to the next question. Tan inverse minus root 3. Answer, as we have tan inverse minus x will be minus tan inverse x. Therefore, tan inverse minus root 3 is minus tan inverse root 3. Tan inverse root 3 is obtained by tan pi by 3. That's for 60 degree. Tan inverse and tan cancels. Our final answer is minus pi by 3. Next question. Cos inverse minus 1 by 2. Answer, we have cos inverse minus x as pi minus cos inverse x. Therefore, cos inverse minus 1 by 2 is pi minus cos inverse 1 by 2, and cos inverse 1 by 2 is pi minus cos inverse cos for 60 degree pi by 3. So cos inverse cos cancels. Answer is pi minus pi by 3, that is 2 pi by 3. Moving on to the next question. Question number 6, 7, 8. Tan inverse minus 1. Answer for this, we have tan inverse minus x as minus tan inverse x. Therefore, tan inverse minus 1 is minus tan inverse 1, that is minus tan inverse tan pi by 4. Tan inverse and tan cancels. Answer is minus pi by 4. So the next question 9. It's secant inverse 2 by root 3. Answer for this is secant inverse x can be written as cos inverse 1 by x. Therefore, secant inverse 2 by root 3 can be written as cos inverse root 3 by 2. And from the table value, we can write cos inverse root 3 by 2 as cos pi by 6. So cos inverse and cos cancels. Our final answer is pi by 6. Question number 8. That's 10 here. Cot inverse root 3. We have cot inverse root 3 as tan inverse 1 by root 3, and from the table value we can write tan inverse tan pi by 6. So the tan inverse tan cancels. Our final answer is pi by 6. Cos inverse minus 1 by root 2. As we have cos inverse minus x as pi minus cos inverse x, that is therefore cos inverse minus 1 by root 2 goes pi minus cos inverse 1 by root 2. That can be simplified as pi minus cos inverse cos pi by 4. So the pi minus cos inverse cos cancels and give us pi by 4. So pi minus pi by 4 is 3 pi by 4. That's the answer. We continue similar questions in the next video. For finding multiple solutions, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching the video.